students, our lesson today is talking about analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. In this video, you will learn about ADC, DAC, and analog signals. An analog signal is one which has a value that varies smoothly. It's easiest to understand this by looking at an example. The sound waves that your mouth produces when you speak are analog. Computers and most other electronic devices such as cameras, mobile phones are digital devices because they process data in the form of numbers or digits. In computer science, these digits are known as binary. All numbers stored inside a computer are stored using a system called binary. Binary only uses zeros and ones for all numbers. You don't need to understand this rather strange counting system for IGCSE, but it's at the heart of all digital devices. Everything stored and processed inside a computer is a number or digital. So, if you think about it logically, any sound that is originally analog will need to be changed into binary in order to be stored on a computer, and that's what the ADC is used. Analog to digital converter, ADC. If you want to attach an analog input device to a digital device such as a computer, you will need an analog to digital converter, ADC. A good example of a computer peripheral that requires an ADC is a microphone. When you plug a microphone into a computer, you are actually plugging it into an ADC, which converts the analog signals from the microphone into digital data that the computer can then process. DAC. If you want to attach an analog output device such as a loudspeaker to a digital device such as a computer, you will need a digital to analog converter, DAC. A good example of a computer peripheral that requires a DAC is loudspeaker or headphones. When you plug a loudspeaker into a computer, you are actually plugging it into a DAC, which takes digital data from the computer and converts it into analog signals, which the loudspeaker then converts into sound. Another device that contains ADC and MP3 player. The music data stored in a player is all digital, but the player produces analog signals which the headphone converts into sound. The ADC and DAC in a computer that are used for connecting microphones and loudspeakers considered a part of a computer sound card. Wish you understood our lesson today, introduced to you by Mrs Bassma Mohsen. Thanks for all.